So guys, in this video I will show you how to watch episodes offline on Crunchyroll. So just you need to follow these steps till the end. Open Crunchyroll first. Here guys, as you see the home page, what you should do first, just search for your episode that you wanna watch. For example, I will just choose here something or someone from this suggestion. I will click this. So right now what I have to do, I have to download. Scroll this list. You need to download guys the episodes. For example, this, just you need to download. After download it, you just have to back and click right now on my list. On your list, you go right now to download, and from here you can find your downloads. Also you can watch offline, but first you have to go to premium and you need to have a subscription with the premium version of Crunchyroll. So I hope guys this video was useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and bye.